There are over 30,000 tire-related crashes every year. That means, contrary to what the sales guy told you, tire brands matter a lot. Making the right choice will not only save you money, but also save your life. That's why today I'm revealing 3 famous tire brands you should avoid completely, like your life depends on it, because it does. And also, I'll reveal the top 11 best tire brands you can trust. Let's start from the popular tire brands you should avoid. Brand number 3. Fortune. Fortune tires are manufactured by Prinks Chengshan in China. The low price is the entire appeal, and it's also the warning sign. Budget Chinese tires are frequently made with inferior rubber compounds and higher plastic content to hit that price point. They often skip wet grip testing entirely. Fortune offers a 45,000-mile warranty, but based on what I've seen and what customers report, they don't honor it. The excuses are always the same. Road conditions, driver habits, anything but the tire itself. One customer I know bought 4 Fortune tires and had 3 of them burst within a year. He wasn't driving recklessly. He was just unlucky enough to trust the wrong brand. Brand number 2. Accelera. Accelera is an Indonesian brand that sells primarily on price. $60 a tire sounds attractive right up until you're fighting the steering wheel in the rain at 30 miles per hour. Their Eco Plush tires come with a 30,000-mile warranty, but getting even half that mileage out of them is a win. Some dealers and regions limit the warranty to just 1 year, which tells you everything about what the manufacturer actually expects from its product. The wet performance is the real danger. In adverse weather, these tires can lose traction at speeds that most drivers consider completely routine. At 55 and older, your reaction time is not the same as it was at 25. You need tires that give you every possible advantage, not ones that take it away. Brand number 1. Firestone. Firestone is the most dangerous brand on this list because it looks legitimate. Bridgestone owns Firestone, so buyers assume they're getting something close to Bridgestone quality. They're not. The tread separation issues on Ford Explorers in the late 1990s and early 2000s led to one of the largest tire recalls in American history. Over 2.5 million tires were pulled, and the company spent years denying any responsibility. More recently, some Firestone production moved to China, and Bridgestone has since been pulling back those Chinese operations. The quality is unpredictable. At the price they're charging, you could be driving on Falken, Cooper, BFGoodrich, or Vredestein with full confidence. Firestone's name is the only thing keeping it on shelves. Now let's move to the brands you should use. Before that, hit like and subscribe button and comment below which tire brand you are using. Number 11. Falken. Falken was created by Sumitomo as a high-performance division, similar to how Lexus is Toyota's luxury arm. And just like Lexus, Falken has surpassed its parent company in several areas. Their tires use silica-enriched rubber compounds that improve grip and durability in both wet and dry conditions. They've also developed 3D Canyon Sipe technology, which is one of the better snow traction solutions I've seen from a non-premium brand. On top of that, they've engineered heat diffuser technology to keep internal tire temperatures down on long highway drives. On a hot summer day, friction inside a tire can generate enough heat to boil water. Falken addresses that directly. Their original equipment on the Porsche Macan and the Jeep Gladiator. When automakers choose a tire brand for the factory line, they're not guessing. They're choosing it because it passed rigorous testing. Yes, Falken costs a bit more than budget brands, but they offer tread life warranties and the performance justifies the price. Number 10. Cooper. Cooper is an Ohio-born brand that Goodyear acquired in 2021. Specifically because they knew how to make a durable, reliable tire at a price that doesn't make you wince. For drivers who want quality without overpaying, Cooper is hard to beat. Their most practical innovation is the wear square indicator, a visual built right into the tread that tells you when it's time to rotate, when your alignment is off, and whether your suspension has an issue. That kind of diagnostic feedback in a tire is genuinely useful, especially for older vehicles. Cooper uses a high silica rubber mix that stays flexible in winter and holds up in summer heat. I've personally seen Coopers come in with 70,000 miles on them with sidewalls still fully intact. They back their tires with a 6-year warranty, which is generous for this price range. If you drive a truck or SUV and you want tires that outlast the transmission, Cooper deserves a serious look. Number 9. Yokohama. In the most recent J.D. Power Original Equipment Tire Satisfaction Survey, Yokohama ranked second in the passenger car segment. It beat Pirelli, Bridgestone, Continental, and Michelin. What makes Yokohama different is their use of orange oil in the rubber compound. Orange oil improves the molecular bonding between natural and synthetic rubber. The result is a tire that stays soft and grippy even in freezing temperatures. Other manufacturers tried this approach and moved on. Yokohama stuck with it and refined it until it worked. Their Advan flagship line is original equipment on Mercedes, Audi, BMW, and Porsche. Their more affordable Blue Earth range is quiet, long-lasting, and fuel-efficient. You don't have to spend much to get a quality Yokohama. That's the mark of a brand that takes its entire product line seriously. Number 8. BFGoodrich. BFGoodrich has been making tires since 1870, which makes it the oldest tire manufacturer in North America. Michelin acquired it because the engineering was simply too good to ignore. What BFGoodrich is famous for is the sidewall. Most tire failures start at the sidewall because it's the thinnest part of the tire. In their KO2 line, BFGoodrich uses a bruise-resistant rubber that is nearly twice as thick as standard sidewall construction. That technology came directly from their Baja Desert Racing program. For off-road driving, jagged rocks, tree roots, and rough curbs are no match for these tires. The tread is also self-cleaning, meaning mud and debris eject quickly, so you maintain traction. Their road tires use advanced compounds that perform well in wet and dry conditions. The only real limitation is their range. They don't make as wide a variety as some competitors. But for truck and SUV owners who drive on mixed terrain, BFGoodrich is one of the most dependable choices you can make. Number 7. Hankook. Hankook is the world's 6th largest tire manufacturer, and they've been earning their place on this list for over 80 years. They make tires for passenger cars, SUVs, trucks, motorcycles, and Formula 3 race cars. In Consumer Reports, Hankook ranked as the best brand for electric vehicles. They also outscored Bridgestone, Continental, Pirelli, and other big names in multiple categories. Their original equipment partnerships include BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Porsche, Tesla, and Rivian. Their tires use high silica compounds for wet grip and cold weather flexibility, and because they're built for performance vehicles, they're engineered to handle speed without sacrificing safety. Hankook tires are nearly 60% cheaper than Michelin, and in most real-world driving situations, you won't feel the difference. Number 6. Pirelli. If you've watched any Formula 1 racing, you already know Pirelli. They've been the exclusive F1 tire supplier since 2011, and they also supply the World Superbike Championship. Their consumer tires use functionalized polymers and nanocomposites that actually change behavior based on how you're driving. At cruising speed, rolling resistance drops to save fuel. When you push into a corner hard, the compound stiffens up to give you better stability. It's real polymer science. Pirelli also offers noise-canceling technology and solid run-flat options. If you enjoy spirited driving and you want a tire that responds to what you're doing, Pirelli is the choice. The honest downside is wear life. Some of their performance models, like the P0, can wear out around 30,000 miles despite the premium price. For everyday highway driving, that's something to think about before buying. Number 5. Bridgestone is the second largest tire manufacturer in the world. They currently hold the record for the most expensive all-season SUV tires and the most expensive performance winter tires on the market. Many of their tires come with an 80,000-mile treadwear warranty. Their nanotech rubber compound, developed through Formula 1 racing, adjusts its molecular structure based on driving conditions. The result is better grip, lower rolling resistance, and heat resistance across all seasons. Their DriveGuard run-flat technology allows you to keep driving up to 50 miles with zero air pressure, and it actually feels controlled while doing it. That alone can save your life in the wrong situation. Original equipment for BMW, Lamborghini, Mercedes-Benz, Toyota, and Volkswagen. The price is high. The quality is higher. Number 4. Vredestein. Most drivers can't pronounce this one. That doesn't stop high-end mechanics from recommending it constantly. This Dutch company has been around for 116 years, and instead of spending money on Super Bowl commercials, they've spent it on engineering and R&D. Consumer Reports ranked Vredestein as the 3rd best tire brand for 2026. Their Quatrac Pro Plus and Ultrac All-Season tires were rated among the best individual tires by verified buyers on Tire Rack. Their tires feature optimized sidewalls and tread patterns that cut road noise significantly. The design is also genuinely attractive, which matters to people who care about how their car looks rolling down the road. The limitation is selection. Vredestein doesn't yet have a huge range for passenger vehicles, but for the models they do offer, the quality is exceptional for the price. Number 3. Continental. Continental is a German brand that never seems to slow down. They supply Stellantis, Renault, Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, Freightliner, and virtually every other major vehicle producer on the planet. Consumer Reports ranked the Continental Terrain Contact as both the best all-terrain truck tire and the best all-season truck tire. They also hold the 2nd best ultra-high-performance tire rating. Their Conti Seal technology can seal a puncture up to 5 millimeters in diameter while you keep driving. Their rubber compounds, including yellow chili and green chili formulations, deliver strong mileage even on rough terrain. And their noise reduction tread patterns keep cabin noise down on long highway drives. Continental is the kind of brand that makes you forget you even have tires on. That's a compliment. Number 2. Goodyear. Founded in 1898, Goodyear is the most recognized tire brand in America, and they've earned that status. They hold the record for the most Formula One starts, wins, and Constructors' Championships of any tire supplier in history. They're the sole tire supplier for NASCAR. They also make tires for aircraft, heavy off-road equipment, and recreational vehicles. That breadth of specialization feeds directly into their consumer tire quality. In the most recent J.D. Power Satisfaction Survey, Goodyear ranked 1st in the luxury division, 1st in passenger cars, and 2nd in performance sport. They use DuPont Kevlar reinforcement in several lines, the same material used in bulletproof vests, giving those tires 35% better puncture resistance. Goodyear also owns Cooper and a few budget brands, so if you want a more affordable option in the same family, that's worth knowing. Number 1. Michelin. There was never really any question. Consumer Reports tested 8 Michelin models for their 2026 report. Every single one received their recommended badge. Every single one finished at or near the top of its category. What separates Michelin from everyone else is consistency. Their Evergrip technology keeps wet weather performance intact as the tire wears. Most tires lose their wet grip as they age. Michelin's tires actually develop wider grooves as they wear to maintain water evacuation. They combine high silica compounds with sunflower oil to keep the rubber from drying out and cracking over time. I've personally inspected 7-year-old Michelin tires with 0 weather cracking. Their Defender line carries an 80,000-mile tread wear warranty and will still outperform brand new budget tires at the end of its life. Drivers who switch away to cheaper premium brands like Pirelli or Continental almost always come back to Michelin. If you want to buy tires once and never think about them again, Michelin is your answer. I trust them on my own car. That says everything. If this helped you see tires differently, hit that like button. It genuinely helps more than you think. Subscribe for more straight, no-nonsense advice that keeps your car safe and your money in your pocket.